Rocky, this is Brianna with that video I promised, showing you how you can beat your competition on Google. In the video, I'm going to be giving you some tips and tricks that you can actually do yourself to improve your rankings and just kind of show you how my company does it. So first thing I want to talk about is content. Content is king. Google is really rating websites by their content. So for content, Google likes to see between 1,500 to 2,000 words on the homepage here. And then let me go ahead and see. And then as far as service pages go, they want between 500 to 750 words per page on those ones. Content, there's two big reasons on why you need to really focus on your content. Content, you can contain more you talk about what you know. That's what's going to rank you on Google. Google wants to know that you're an expert. So the more you're talking about what your services are, they're going to be viewing you a little bit higher light. The next thing is keywords. Keywords are how people search on Google, right? They enter in some type of phrase or a few words here and there, and they search, and websites rank. So what keywords you have, what you're ranking for, that's how customers are really going to find you. So that gives you a better opportunity. If you have more content, you can have more keywords. You don't want to have keyword stuffing where every word is a keyword. Google's smarter than that. They know. So yeah, what you want to do is you want to have about 100 words of content for every keyword, which is pretty simple to do when you keep it in that 1,500 to 2,000 ratio, and then the 500 to 750 for those back pages. The next thing I want to talk about is the Ahrefs tool I have here. This tool I use, it actually, as you can see, I've entered in your website here. What it does is it breaks down the website. It shows me that you guys are ranking for 9 keywords. You have 21 other domains or websites that have 77 backlinks going to your page. Not all of those backlinks are clickable, though. Keep that in mind. Only out of all of those backlinks, your 77 backlinks, only 9 of them are follow. That's it. Only 9 of those 77 links customers can click on and get to your page. So you would want to change out some of these backlinks to something that customers can actually click to find you. For keywords, this is bringing you 4 customers a month, your 9 keywords here. Let's take a look at the keywords. A lot of seismic retrofitting, right? That's the service we offer. You could be ranking on things as far as just foundation repair or foundation inspection. All that has to do with the structural integrity of a building, right? All that earthquake maintenance that you've got to do. Being where I'm at, I totally understand how the earthquake stuff goes. I used to do property inspections, so I understand the importance of making sure you can find your customers and your customers can find you. They're not all going to know retrofitting as terminology, right? They might just be looking for foundation inspection, foundation repair. Those are some keywords you probably want to be ranking on to find some customers. I also wanted to show you your competition as well on the same tool here. You can see they're outranking you guys. They've got 239. That's 230 more keywords than what you guys have. And that's giving them a higher organic traffic of 81 customers versus what you guys have for your 4. They've also got a lot more backlinks and a lot more referring domains. Now, SeattleFoundationRepairs.com, I got to them as being your competition from searching over here. They were just an ad that had popped up. Normally, I don't click on ads to show, but they had also shown up in the Google My Business right here at the top. And their website was actually showing in the organic listings as well. I had looked at the Map V construction. I can definitely do a comparison for that if you guys wanting to know. I'm more than happy to keep giving tips here on this. I just want to keep this video something in a good timeline. So I wanted to show you as far as they're going, they are getting a good comparison here on that. That's something you guys want to work on. Going back into the content stuff, on the Google My Business, right down here, this map pack, if you guys aren't showing up on the map pack, you guys definitely want to get into that. Get yourself added in. The ratings for this is done by the amount of reviews, the quality of the reviews, and the different citations coming to your site. Citations, pretty simple. They're just websites that are basically online directories, online phone books, if you will. These online directories contain information for contacting your company, your address, your email, your phone number, all that. When you set up your profile, you want to make sure you're getting your pictures and all your contact information done. Speaking of pictures, pictures count as content. A lot of people don't know that. So that is a really quick way to get ranking for keywords. If you've got pictures on your homepage, let's just do this one for example. If I were to save this image, what's going to pop up? The file name just says website main pic. Those aren't keywords, but this is an opportunity for you guys to get some really easy ranking going. Change those keywords on your website for your content in your pictures. Change them. Make them something you want to be ranking for. You really optimize, take advantage of the opportunity to add that content. So I would add more information on your web pages here, more content, 1,500 to 2,000, 500 and 750, between those numbers on those pages. Make sure that you guys are focusing on your keywords. The cool thing about this tool is you can see what your competition is ranking for on keywords. They're outranking you guys on, they're using foundation repair, right? Because that's actually what your customers are thinking like. There's a lot of terms when it goes into the construction field that they're not going to know. Absolutely not going to know. I'm sure a lot of them are going to know shear walls or anything like that. So foundation repair is going to be keywords that you guys want to try and add to your site to get. You definitely have room to grow. You're missing 230 compared to this one competition. And looking through your list, there's not one thing here talking about the words foundation, right? So that's something that I would highly recommend you guys change. They've also got a lot more backlinks than you guys do, right? They're showing up higher. So the quality of their backlinks, as I said, we can go into here, we can export this entire list and add these backlinks into your web page and remove the ones that aren't doing any good for your competition. So they're not going to do any good for you. That's just one of the many things that we can do here. We can get you ranking on this for sure. But I think if this is kind of just about the end, that's just really what I wanted to touch on. Those are some quick tips that you can do. By applying those steps correctly, I promise you guys will be ranking in no time. You'll be seeing that increase in customer foot traffic, probably pulling away customers from your competition. So if you have any questions, you guys know how to reach me. Thanks for your time, Rocky.